What can you do if you've forgotten your Oculus Quest 2 pin? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can reset if you've forgotten your Oculus Quest 2 pin. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So the issue over here is that let's say I'm logged into my Oculus account, but you've simply forgotten the pin that you have put in. So in order to reset those, just go ahead and launch the Oculus or the Meta Quest application. Make sure you are logged into your account, and as you can see, this is how it is going to look like. What you have to do is at the bottom right, you can see these three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. So just tap on it in order to go to the menu page. Once you go to the menu page, on the list of all these boxes, just select the one that says settings in this green icon. Once you go to settings, again at the very top, you can see this profile icon that says account settings. So tap on it. As you tap on account settings, right under the security tab, you can see the option that says reset Meta Quest pin. So all you have to do is simply tap on the reset button. Now, by the way, if you do remember your old pin, you can go ahead and enter your old or your current pin, and then you can go ahead and change it to the new pin if you want. However, since we're learning how we can reset it, because assuming that you've forgotten your pin, you have to tap on this little forgotten pin button over here, which is highlighted in blue. Just tap on the forgotten pin button, and as you can see, it says after submitting a request, you will receive an email containing a link to reset your pin. So you have to make sure that you have the access to the email address which is signed in or logged in with your Oculus account. So once you've done those, tap on the request pin reset button. Now what we will do is we will wait for an email from Oculus so that we can reset our pin. So just go ahead and open up your mailbox as well. If you don't find the pin request pin, you can also try looking for it in the spam folder. As in my case, you can see that I have a fresh email from Meta or Oculus which says your pin reset request. So what you have to do is to just tap on it. As you tap on it, you'll see this particular link over here which will help you reset your pin. So just tap on it again. Once you do so, it will open up us in a new browser where it will ask us to set our new pin without having to enter our old pin. So as you can see, it says me to enter my pin. So I'll just go ahead and then enter the new pin that I might want to use for my Oculus account. Again, I will go ahead and then confirm the pin in the next box. Make sure that both of those pins are correct, and once you've done that, just tap on the save button which you see at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the save button, you'll be successfully able to reset your Oculus Quest 2 pin. And this is how you can go ahead and reset your Oculus pin if you've forgotten it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.